So we're in the pre-workshop space. Now, how are all the arrangements going for Wednesday night?
They're going very well. We bumped in on Sunday. We had a very successful day there. The exhibition looks pretty fantastic.
Now, the workshop event is always held at Chifley Plaza. Can you tell me how that event has kind of evolved over the past couple of years?
It started off as a very small sort of cottage event that grew out of the need to sort of showcase prototype design. And now it's actually turned into a real sort of showcase for designers to get their work out to manufacturers and retailers as well. And it's gone from an event that had 5 products into an event that now has 44 products, So it's grown quite substantially.
Now, the other night at the Beresford, we spotted a little international designer guest, Donald. Tell us a little bit about your piece.
Well, really, it was the idea of quality or a trait that manifested it in a 3-dimensional object. In this case, it became kind of insects and kind of representations, traditional representations of these qualities, and that you could buy and then put them around your house, and they would cut through the visual colors. So that's just why. Just to remind you, maybe even subconsciously, to think in those positive ways about those qualities.
And it's great that you're an international designer showcasing at Sydney Design. What drew you to this exhibition?
Well, actually, it was funny. I was here, I'd say 6 years ago, and I was in the Strand and walked through, and I said, this is tremendous. This is the first time an actual exhibition is done where everybody goes. It's not off in some gallery or in some convention center where only those that know about it are going to go. I wish more things were done like this around the world, because it's unique, it's wonderful, and it's actually brilliant the way they do it.
Now, Adam Cornish is one of the designers who showcased this year in Milan during Saloni Satellite. Now, Adam, did you showcase this piece during the Milan show?
Yeah, the hammock was part of my first collection, so the hammock was there.
How did this design come about, and what products did you use?
The hammock was designed to make wood flexible, and it does so by using rubber vertebrae in between wooden slats similar to a spine. The whole hammock is cut from one sheet of plywood, so the whole thing nests onto one sheet to make it reduce its environmental footprint.
So it's kind of got like a spinal undulating aspect to it. Has it got a lot of free movement within this structure?
Yeah, the idea of the wood and the rubber is to emulate that fabric-like quality, and I'll do a quick demo. It changes shape to you. The whole idea is just be interacting with the user.
It's a clever hammock, basically.
Yeah, I like that analogy.
Now, Adam has a second piece in the workshop exhibition, the Trinity bowl or a vase, or tell us about this piece.
Bowl/centerpiece, and the principle was kind of the same, minimising use of material to get a beautiful object that, you get the volume from using the material resourcefully.
And you had quite a key figure during the Milan show interested in your piece. Can you tell us about that little moment?
I was lucky enough to get a request for a technical assessment by Alessi, and the senior curator of the Museum of Modern Art has requested too for hopefully the MoMA store.
So exciting. I can definitely imagine this in one of the many Alessi stores, or even both, in the Gallery of Modern Art and Alessi. It would be a beautiful feature. So that was Workshop 2010. We've met some great designers. There was a lot of male contingency this year. There was only a speckle of female. So hopefully next year we can see a few more female designers. So I'm sure it's going to be an interesting evening. Everyone will be talking and gathering and talking about design and drinks. So I'm going to go in and have a Bombay Sapphire.